Well, hello everyone. In today's episode, we're doing a tablescape. So if you're interested in seeing what all happens, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone. This is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now, in today's episode, I'm decorating my table for St. Patrick Day. You know I forgot that quick, right? I couldn't remember what the date was. So, I'm using only things I already have. I haven't purchased anything new. Everything here was already in my stash. So I'm going to bring you along. I'm going to set the centerpiece up first. I normally do that last, but today I'm going to set it up first. Now, I'm using, I'm doing it kind of a different way. So, now these placemats, charger plates here, these were my mom's. And when she bought these, she beat me to them, rather. We were thrifting. And she saw them before I did. And she got them. And I told her, "You're a thief. You seen I wanted those." When she got these wicker charging plates, I wanted them. They were so pretty, but she beat me to them. So what can you do? Now, if you didn't know, these clover mats, they came from the Dollar Tree. Yep. And I've had these for a while. I think the two that I'm putting on the head of the table, they I picked those up in Austin when I was up there visiting family, because the store here had ran out of them, and I really wanted a set. So these two that's going to be at the head of the table, they are thicker than the ones that I purchased here in Houston. Now, of course, you know I have pillow covers to go on my pillows. These pillow covers came from Amazon. It was a set of 4, but I'm only using 2 today. want to do something for St. Patrick's Day for two reasons. One is because on my mother's side, we're Irish. Yeah, that's funny, ain't it? We are part Irish on my mom's side. And when my uncle, when if you're old enough to remember when Roots came out, well, my uncle, my mom's brother, decided to trace our background, see where our family came from. Now, mind you, I kind of figured that we were kind of Irish. And the reason being is they have red hair and freckles. Yeah. My grandfather had red hair, freckles. My mom and her siblings all had red hair. And my uncle, the younger of them, when he would play out in the sun, even my brother, my baby brother, has red hair. And even when he played out in the sun, in the summertime, boy, was it apparent that his hair was red. In the summertime, it turned bright red every year. So I kind of figured that my family was Irish because of the red hair and freckles. So when my uncle did the background search on my grandfather's side, he was upset because he wanted us to be, he wanted them to be rather Nigerian or something, When Roots came out, people started, checking their background, seeing where their family came from, all that stuff. But on my mom's side is Irish on her dad. On her mother's side, they're black and they are Indian. My great great grandmother was an Apache Indian. Long black hair, the full nine. So they were black, Irish, and Apache. Now on my dad's side, my sister did check the bloodline on my dad's side. And if you've seen my grandfather and his brothers, they're really slender and they remind me of, if you ever saw the movie, what was that movie? I can't think of the name of the movie now. King Solomon's Mines. If you ever saw King Solomon's Mines, then you would understand what I'm talking about. Now, on King Solomon's Mine, they had when the guy joined them, the African guy, tall guy, slender, and he had a Gumby haircut, tall, skinny. And he went back to his tribe because he was actually the son of the king that was ran off by his uncle. And him and his mother were when his dad died. So he came back to claim his legal right as being the heir, right? So in that movie, when they showed this guy's tribe, well, the people favored my grandfathers, and his siblings. That's who it favored. And I mentioned that to them. And then when we did a background search on my grandfather's side, my dad's father, we found out that we were Nigerian. We had Nigerian blood in us. We were Nigerian, which kind of figured that. And It said another tribe that we were part of, but we were more Nigerian than the other tribe. So that's why I always try to do a Black History tablescape for the beginning of February, and then I do uh, a St. Patrick's Day tablescape because of what I have learned about my family, my mom and dad's side. So that makes me really confused, right? I'm Black. Oh, and I forgot also on my dad's side, there is Comanche. Dad said that my great grandmother, his dad's mother, her mother was a Comanche, full-blooded Comanche Indian. So I am Black, Irish, Nigerian, Comanche, and Apache. So now that I finished my St. Patrick's Day tablescape, I'm going to bring you in close so you can see it up together. I'm going to bring you up close so you can see how everything looks. Okay, here is an overall picture of my St. Patrick's Day table. I think it turned out really cute. Now, as I said, everything I already had, and I think it looks really pretty. Now, the little place in the middle, I picked them up thrifting. They had 2 boxes, and I only bought one, and I regret that now. I said one day I was going to go back and see if they had the other one. Oh, and these wine glasses, I got these from Hobby Lobby. And when I got them, they were on sale for $5 something. And Hobby Lobby they have a purple one, an orange one, and I think a yellow one, I think. I know they had a burgundy looking one. It was really pretty. But on the head of the tables, of course, I put the pillows in the chairs. And in the head of the tables, I just put 2 shamrocks on the center of the napkin. So that's the difference between the center, the head of the table, and the sides of the table. Over here, the pillow cover is a shamrock or a clover. Now the table runner, I really forgot I had that. I ordered that, I think it was from Amazon a few years back. It has the clovers on it. And then the little wooden ones, I like them. I got them on Amazon as well. I like them because on the back is a plaid. Like that one is black. This one is black. This one is white and green. And this one over here is black and green. And on the other sides, they're green on the back. So I like that I can use both sides. Now the centerpiece, the candle holder, that was my mother's. We got that thrifting as well. And I added the 4 candles on to give it that look to let you know it's a candle holder. Now I think overall my table came out really cute for St. Patrick's Day. So let me know down below what you think of my tablescape. I really have fun coming up with this idea, and I really like to read your comments to see what you think. And I will catch you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.